You can see that I just shredded a little bit of cheddar cheese right into my macaroni. I'm gonna add a little bit of onion powder. No worries on the measurement. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit in there. That looks great. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic. Just eyeball it and sprinkle that in there as well. And of course, we can't forget a little bit of pepper. So let's grind that up in there too. Perfect. All right, you guys, now quickly just come in. We're gonna just stir this macaroni and cheese that we have in with that other shredded cheddar. Then we have our onion, our garlic, and our pepper. Wow, that is exactly what you want. This is looking great. All right, everything is mixed up. This is going to be so delicious, you guys. Let's come over here to our waffle maker and we're gonna open that up. Look at that, that is hot and ready to go. All right, so you're just gonna take a scoop of this macaroni and cheese that we have and we're gonna place it right on our waffle maker. Listen to that sizzle. Wow, that is going to be so good, you guys. So I'm just going to quickly toss this macaroni and cheese right here in our waffle maker. Yes, I said it. Have you ever done macaroni and cheese like this, you guys? This is the new way and you are going to absolutely love it. Whether you want to have it for food or a snack, maybe a little appetizer, you get to choose. I know for sure this is definitely a fun way for my kids. They love this too. Okay, so once our macaroni and cheese is all piled on there, just like that, we're gonna make sure that it's not in any of the crevices here. We'll just go ahead and knock that out, clean that up later. Okay, that looks great, you guys. We want to close this up. Let's close this all the way down. Oh, listen to that sizzle. We are going to cook it for a couple minutes and stick around because this is gonna be the best way that you've ever tried macaroni and cheese. Okay, you guys, I am so eager to open this up. Let's check this out. Holy cow, does that not look amazing? Oh my gosh, look at that. We have a macaroni and cheese waffles, yes. Okay, I'm gonna come in. Let's see if I can just grab a hold of this with my fork here. Look at that, it's just coming out so perfectly. Wow, oh my God, these are so cute. Okay, let's transfer this over into our plate. How fun. Oh my goodness, these turned out so good, you guys. I can smell the onion and the garlic. Wow, they smell amazing. Look at that crispy cheese. Okay, now to make this even better, here, check this out. Look, I have some garlic chili crunch oil. Have you guys ever heard of this? Now, if you don't like spicy, of course you would not put this on, but then that also leads me to my other question. What do you like on your macaroni and cheese? Do you like to do breadcrumbs? Do you like to do, I don't know, hot sauce or ketchup or what do you like? I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of this oil and then here, I have some green onion and I'm just gonna put a couple of those on top just like that. You guys, look at how amazing these look, how cute. The best thing is, check it out. You can just literally pick it up and eat it with your hand. Mmm, yum. What a fun and awesome, tasty way to make macaroni and cheese, you guys. You could do so much with this. I wanna know the toppings you would put on. I wanna know what you would do. I mean, shoot, would you even make this into a sandwich? There are so many things that you can do. How exciting. I'm excited, I hope you're excited. Let me know what you think about this recipe and we'll see you guys later.